Hello, I'm Tylah Tully, and today I'm joined by Carnavale Resources CEO Humphrey Hale. Humphrey, before we get into your latest news, can you start by telling us a bit about Carnavale and your key projects?
Certainly, Tyler. Carnavale is a small exploration company based in Perth, listed on the ASX, that's got its main project at the Kookynie area, which is about 2 hours north of Kalgoorlie, focusing on a niche project, the Kookynie Gold Project, which is our main project, a high-grade niche gold project in WA.
And you've just released an updated scoping study for your Kookynie Gold Project. Can you talk us through the outcomes and the highlights that you see?
Yeah, we released a scoping study this morning. Very exciting. The valuation on the project has doubled since we put out the last initial scoping study last year. And now we see an NPV of about $188 million, which is terrific, with free cash of $237 million. And compared to our market cap of only $16 million, it's quite an uplift. So that is all revolves around increased in resources that we released in July, and obviously the strong gold price. Now we set the target gold price at 5,500. Today it's 5,800 and above. So still some headroom, and who knows how it will go in the future.
As you mentioned, Kookynie's project valuation has doubled in this latest update. Why do you think this is, and how do you plan to capitalise on this momentum?
Yeah, the thing has doubled largely because of a couple of rounds of drilling that we did between the two studies, and that added a significant amount of resource. So we went from 85,000 ounces to 117,000 ounces. So that was very useful. We also targeted a large amount of inferred material to bring it into indicated, so that we could use that in the scoping study. So we added indicated, more ounces, and of course the gold price going up has helped enormously in increasing in that valuation, doubling it.
So what's next for Carnavale?
So the next steps for Carnavale is to take this, very strong economic case in the niche project, and go forward and do our immediate steps will be to complete a bankable feasibility study. We're already negotiating and chatting with mining contractors to develop the project. We've got a mining license to complete, which depends on the heritage agreement being completed, which we're well underway with. And so in the next 6 to 9 months will be transformatory. We're in a trading halt today to raise capital to do all of that, and I think there's strong interest.
Humphrey, thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you, Tyler.
For more ASX news and analysis, subscribe below.